Lecture 5. Use flags and to mark important emails. Now that you know how to organize emails using folders, let's add another layer to help you manage priorities. Today, we'll talk about how to use flags in Outlook. In this lecture, you will learn how to mark important emails with flags and color-coded labels so you can spot what needs your attention quickly and clearly. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what flags are and how they function in Outlook, learn how to flag emails for follow up or future action, sort and filter emails based on flag status to stay organized. What is a flag in Outlook? Flags are used to mark emails that need follow up or should not be forgotten. How to flag an email? Hover over an email in your inbox, like this one, and click the flag icon that appears on the right side. This one, the flag turns red, showing it's now marked for follow up. You can also right click the flag too. Here are the different options that you can apply, like add a reminder, set a due date, or mark it as complete when finished. What does a flag do? When you flag an email or task in Outlook, it's visually highlighted in your inbox or task list. It gets added to the to-do list if you are using Outlook tasks. You can assign a reminder to it so Outlook notifies you at a specific time. It often appears in the task pane on the right side, making it easier to manage follow-ups. Like if you have flagged as many emails as possible or as you want to be followed up, and you can just have as many emails flagged. For example, I have flagged these emails, and you can just click on this filter, and here is the option called flag. When you click on that, all the flags email will be appearing in this section. So you can see all the flagged email in one section by just clicking on this filter icon. Types of flags in Outlook. Follow up flag. Used to remind yourself to follow up on an email, you can flag it for example, when you right click on this icon, you can remind yourself, for example, for today, tomorrow, this week, next week, or no date as well. So, this is how you can notify yourself whenever needed. Reminder flag adds a pop up reminder to the flagged item at the specified time. Custom flag lets you set your own due date, start date, and message. How to flag an email. As we have already mentioned that there are two ways to flag an email, like you can hover over an email and click on this icon, or you can just right click on this email and here is an option called flag, and you can flag an email like this as well. So this is how you can flag an email in Microsoft Outlook. Choose a preset follow-up time or set custom to set your own. Optionally, set a reminder with a pop-up and sound. When the task is done, you can click the flag again to mark it complete. It turns into a check mark. Like for example, if I have completed this task and you can just right click on that and click on this mark as complete. Here you can see you can have a check mark icon that this task has been completed. Why use flags in Outlook? Mark important emails. Flags help you highlight emails that need a reply or action. Like in all these inbox emails that we have, these are the highlighted ones, the one which are flagged, which shows that these emails are really important to be followed up and need attention. The second one is set reminders. You can add a date and time so Outlook reminds you to follow up. Create to-do lists. Flagged emails automatically show up in your task lists. Stay organized. Flags help you sort and prioritize what needs to be done today, tomorrow, or later. As you can just right click on this and you have all these options. For example, I just want this task to be completed by this week, and you can click on that and it will remind us at the end of this week. Works across devices. Flags sync with Microsoft To Do and show up as tasks on your phone or other apps as well. Sorting and filtering by flags in Outlook. Key points. Sort by flag status. Click the flag column header to group emails by flagged, completed, or unflagged status. For example, as we have discussed that you can just click on this filter icon, click on this flagged, and all the flagged email will be appearing on this section. Use the task pane. View all flagged emails in one place under the to-do bar or task lists. Create a custom view. Use view settings, filter, and go to more choices to show only flagged items. Group by follow-up date. Sort or group emails based on the due date set with the flag, for example today or tomorrow. So this is how you can use flag in Microsoft Outlook.